Hi Libra, we're finishing the readings today with you. This is your channel messages for the 28th of October. I'm your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Libra, I'm getting that you're feeling very ugly. I'm getting you stop show your face because you feel ugly. I'm getting you insecure about your nose, Libra. You're insecure about your skin color, you're insecure about your eye color, you're insecure about your nose, you're insecure about your face, your cheeks, you just get insecure. I don't know who you've been watching or looking at, why you compare yourself. Ma'am, the last time I compared myself to another woman, it was Kim Kardashian's pussy. I'm gonna ask one man to give me 100,000 so I could have done my pussy like Kim Kardashian. Now looking back at it, I was being dramatic. Because I found that men didn't even care how much they look, them just don't want to eat it, right? So at the same time, I'm going to say this to you, Libra. I don't know who you look upon. I don't know if you compete with somebody or you feel like you're not good enough. You better stop this nonsense. Where is your Torah? Wait there. I'm getting you now show your face and you're beating around the bush. There's an elephant in the room you're not addressing. You feel ugly. Now, I don't know if somebody tell you say you're ugly, maybe you're not ugly, maybe they just told you that to hurt your feelings. Either way, Libra, I don't know, you feel like you're ugly, you feel like you're not attractive, I getting you don't like your face, you don't like your skin color, you don't like how you look. I getting the only thing you like about yourself is your dick. Because I guess God bless you with a big one. Otherwise, you don't like nothing about yourself. Who made you hate yourself this way, Libra? Who? Maybe you think somebody reject you because you're ugly. Maybe it's because you're an asshole. It's not because you're ugly. Couldn't be because you're ugly. Man, Michael Blackson have a woman that is okay with him fucking on her. And you think you're ugly? Great. So let's go ahead and go into your reading. I don't know who did that to you. Maybe you wish you weren't this race. Because you feel like it's harder for you to get what you want. You're getting you feel ugly. Sometimes the ugly man them will want. Sometimes not, because you give these ugly niggas a chance. They finesse it on you, as Caesar said. This is true. Other times, the ugly man, them not in no problem. Them not gonna use out your hair gel and your lotion and your cocoa butter lotion. They're not gonna use it out, right? Sometimes the ugly man them have nicer hygiene. The pretty ones them don't have good hygiene. They just do their hair and their face while them balls smell like sweat. You get what I mean? Let us go ahead and go into your reading. So Libra, I don't know who have you feeling top, Libra. Feeling unappreciated, feeling ugly, Libra. You're beautiful and you. Cause God makes no mistakes, you're on the right track, Libra, you were born this way. You know yourself and regret, just love yourself and be safe. You're on the right track, Libra, you were born this way. You were born this way. You're born this way. So let's go ahead and go into your reading. Because you are the last reading I have to do before I enjoy consuming le petit déjeuner, breakfast. We have the Magician coming out first. So I'm getting Libra, you're overreacting. You get to have money. You have cocoa butter, you have oil, you have lip gloss, you have a brush can make waves. I don't know, I'm getting you feel ugly. You're not ugly. You feel that way. Maybe because you've been doing beauty magic on somebody. If you do beauty magic on someone to affect their beauty, you're going to feel ugly about yourself. You're going to hide your face. Duh, everybody knows that. Everybody knows that. Every witch knows that if you're going to do beauty magic on somebody, you're going to get uglier. You're going to get dehydrated, cracked skin, fucked up lips, like it's going to backfire. Especially if you do magic on somebody who's higher ranking than you. I keep looking here. Especially if you're doing magic on someone that's higher ranking than you. So I'm getting you do beauty magic on somebody's face because you're jealous. And now you feel ugly as fuck and now you're not showing your face on camera because you feel inadequate. I don't know what the... I don't know where you get yourself in now. Because you're getting a magic backfire. Now you feel ugly and you don't want to show your face. And you're not ugly. You're very, very beautiful. You're very attractive, Libra. You're getting a magic fuck up your psyche because you were trying to fuck with someone's psyche too. So check somebody's birth chart and the degrees they are before you do that. And check what in them chart. Check if them not have no specific angle or no specific thing in them birth chart before you do that to them. Because I'm getting you feel ugly as fuck now. Because you're trying to do beauty magic on somebody, it's not working. Yeah, because you rank higher. High ranking people ain't doing beauty magic on people. That's beneath us. That's for the jealous, low vibrating, closed chakra bitches. You think somebody at 33 degrees have time for do beauty magic? Sweetie, younger than me I come up, hotter than me I come up, prettier than me I come up. So even if I try to fuck up fear magic, there's a young girl coming up right now who's going to be beautiful in the next couple of years. The fuck? You're doing magic on this bitch and there's an 18-year-old soon be a model coming up and she's beautiful as fuck. But you're doing a magic on a bitch who's uglier than her. Prettier I go, let me tell you something, prettier I go out there, slimmer I go out there, fatter I go out there, nicer I go out there than you. So might as well you get used to appreciating yourself and the people around you in different shapes and sizes. You ain't gonna be the D bitch all your life. You're gonna be an old bitch soon. You're gonna be a mother bitch. That's what you're gonna be. You ain't gonna be no bad bitch. You're gonna be a parent PTA teachers meeting bitch. That's what the fuck you're gonna be. You have a world card. So like meaning something is over. I'm getting the spell break. I'm getting the spell soon break. After the spell break, you're gonna show your face again. Also, you might want to do things to yourself. You change your eye color, you put on weird ass makeup, you put on dramatic makeup, dramatic lip color, you dye out your hair, because you do beauty magic on somebody, so now you feel invisible, you feel inadequate, because you took someone's face from them. So now you're not a face for yourself. That's why you bleach out your hair, you do all type of things to your hair, or you do all type of things to your eye, or your teeth, or your mouth, you put in bling, because you try to take somebody's beauty from them. No, you're not a beauty of your own. So now you're looking like a Caucasian person with that blonde hair. You're looking at Rashida with that blonde hair. Let's go. Are you dying to be white, Libra? Maybe that's what it is. You think somebody like white girls, white man? Maybe you're dying to be white. We have the 2 of Pentacles. We have the 7 of Pentacles. We have the 6 of Swords. And we have the 9 of Pentacles. Is she you want to look like? No, Libra. Is she you want to look like? You want slim like she, look like her, get attention like her. Because I'm getting you saying to yourself, why is it that I can't look pretty? I'm buying expensive shit, I'm buying the same shit everybody else is buying, but I don't look the same way in it. Because first of all, you're trying to dress yourself like somebody else. That's why the clothes don't fit you properly. Second of all, you're trying to do beauty magic on someone, and it backfired. So now you don't want to look in the mirror, you can't show your face on camera, you cover your face every blood clot day. What the fuck else? You teeth somebody's face? You went to the fucking plastic surgeon and you were like, doctor, I want to look like her. And then after the doctor performed the surgery, you try for bully sheet to cover for your face, because your teeth are face. Bitch, you brought my picture to the fucking face surgeon and told the fucking face surgeon that you want to look like me. You want my nose you tell me you want Jesus Christ. That nose is mixed with 4 different blood clot cultures, right? That nose is 4 different bloodline mixed up. You tell them, say, you want how my eye look, you want my lips, you want my nose, you want my eye, my cheek. You tell them every blood clot thing what you want about me. And then after you had your family pay for this surgery, you're trying to make people bully the 9 of Pentacles for cover fear face, because your teeth fear face. Because you are insecure ass bitch who went to a fucking Uber. I don't take Uber, I don't have money, I don't have Uber money. I don't have it. I have TTC. This is the money I have. I have Presto money. I don't have Uber money. So anybody asks me, I take Uber, work in Uber. No, I'm a Presto bitch. When are you going to get me my car? You want a car? You can go buy a second-hand car right now. Stop saying that! I want a car. You want a car, sweetie? You can go take a TTC. I ain't no TTC bitch, okay? If them take Presto, I could have take it. Anyways, let me continue the blood clot reading, right? Yeah, so I'm getting, that's what you did, huh? You brought her face to the fucking surgeon, tell the surgeon say you want her blood clot face, and then you want the girl to cover for her face. Brighten up blood clots. Brighten up blood clots. You're telling the fucking country that somebody has COVID-19? No, sweetie. You have haterism. You need some hatergate. Because you teeth a girl face and then you want the girl to cover up her face, and then you're going to tell the world that the girl has an infectious disease. So our face have to get covered. Because your teeth are face. Because you are ugly, insecure bitch. And your mother end up opening her legs to a man who ugly in a blood clot. Only can't walk and talk shit about my father and walk and talk shit about my mother. Look what my mother and my father made. Any blood clot business, unfinished business you don't have with Sonia or blood clot Keith, that is up to you, Sonia and Keith, and I'm not going to do it. Who said that? Yeah, because your parents is in these problems with these people and you're involved. I'm involved. Who said that? Who said that? Who did it? Who did it? I am not my father's keeper. I am not my mother's keeper either. I don't know who keep telling us that I work with my family. No. Right? Jesus fucking Christ. That's the first thing. The second motherfucking thing, yeah. You're unreasonable people. The girl have a deadly virus, so she have to cover her face. She can't hide away, she have to cover her face alone. Because your teeth are blood clot face. And then you want to put on a fucking hijab. You want to put on a fucking COVID-19 fucking mask. You didn't even give her internship at a fucking hospital, but you want to wear blood clot medical mask. Is she a doctor? No, she not. So what the fuck you want her to wear a mask for? Because you stole her face. You took a picture of her and you teeth her blood clot face and you go to the surgeon and you tell the surgeon that I have face some blood clot wants. And now you want to be on social media parading the face that is not yours. That's not how your nose look. Your eye no looks like either. And you still have a color complex because you're now wearing natural hair. So on top of you change your blood clot face and you change your nose, your hair is still Caucasian. So what the fuck is your priorities going? You a dumb hoe. Dumb hoe. Can we just talk? MK Ultra. We have Scorpio. We have I Am the Game, underrated, and I trusted the wrong person. I'm gonna leave it here. Until next time, Libra. Bye.